In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord notification sound not working. If your Discord notifications are showing up, but you're not hearing any sound, there are a few settings inside Discord that can easily cause that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look and what to change so your notification sounds start working again. First, open Discord and go to your main dashboard. Once you're there, look to the bottom left area of the screen. Near your profile section, you'll see a small gear icon which opens your user settings. Click on that to continue. After the settings menu opens, look over to the left-hand side and find notifications. Click on it. This section controls how Discord alerts you, including desktop pop-ups and sounds. So it's the first place to check when notifications aren't behaving as expected. Inside the notification settings, make sure Enable Desktop Notifications is turned on. This allows Discord to send alerts through your desktop properly. Then check the setting called Disable All Notification Sounds. If that option is turned on, Discord will stay silent even if notifications are otherwise working, so make sure it is toggled off. These two settings are often the main reason notification sounds stop working. Next, stay in the left-hand settings column and scroll down until you find Appearance. In that area, click on Streamer Mode. Streamer Mode is useful when you're broadcasting or sharing your screen because it hides sensitive information and can reduce interruptions, but it can also interfere with normal notification behavior. Once you're in Streamer Mode, look for the option labeled Enable Streamer Mode and make sure it is turned off. If it's enabled, Discord may suppress certain alerts and sounds, which can make it seem like your notifications have stopped working. After that, go back to the main Discord window and look at the top left of the screen. Click on the server name you're currently in. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Notification Settings. When the Server Notification Settings open, check the Server Notification Settings section and make sure All Messages is selected. If it's set to only @mentions or nothing, you may not hear sounds for regular messages in that server. Switching it to All Messages ensures that every new message in that server can trigger a notification sound. Once you've confirmed all of these settings, Discord should start playing notification sounds again. If needed, give it a quick test by waiting for a message or asking someone to send one. And that's how to fix Discord notification sound not working